Hi guys. So today we are going to discuss about a topic called responsibility accounting. So let us introduce about myself. My name is VV Karnamurthy, working as an associate professor in Wings Business School, Tirupati. So today we are going to see about how much important the responsibility accounting in an organization to make all the activities want to be run effectively in the organization with the help of responsibility accounting. So let us go for the introduction. So, responsibility accounting is a system of control where responsibility is assigned for the control of costs. You can see that responsibility accounting, the ultimate goal is controlling of cost. So, if you want to control any of the cost in the organization, you definitely want to be allocate responsibility to each and every department who is working in the organization. If we give responsibility, then automatically the cost will be automatically reduces. So that's why a lot of organization will definitely assign so responsibility to each and every department and each and every activity. Then the control of cost will be the ultimate goal of responsibility accounting. The persons are made responsible for the control of cost. So the persons are nothing but employees. The employees who are working in the organization will definitely made responsible for the controlling of costs. So this is what the important point. Next one, proper authority is given to the person so that they are able to keep up their performance. You can see that proper authority is given to the persons so that you are able to keep up their performance. So if you wanted to keep up your performance, you definitely want to maintain the proper authority for that. If the authority will give any work to the any of the person, then automatically what is going to be happen, the performance of that person is going to be get increased. So proper authority will allocate the certain works to the people who are working under him. You want to allocate the proper work to the proper person. So and in the similar way, in case the performance is not according to the predetermined standards, then the person who are assigned the duty will be personally responsible for that. So if the work which is allocated to the particular person is not 100% doing the job, then the 100% the mistake will be responsibility will be taken by that person only, because he is allocated with the work, he is not did the work properly. Then if anything is going to be happen, who is responsible for that? The particular person is going to be responsible for that. So the proper allocation of the work will definitely allocate the responsibilities also. So in responsibility accounting, the emphasis is on men rather than on systems. So the responsibility accounting will be allocated to the men, not for the missions. So responsibilities are allocated to men other than others than on system. So every system will be allocated with the men. The men is going to be responsible for the particular system is going to be the point. So this is a small introduction regarding the topic. Next one, definition, which is given by Lauterbach and Dominic. So let us see the definition. So responsibility accounting is the name given to that aspect of the managerial process. Here you can see that responsibility accounting is the name given to that aspect of the managerial process dealing with the reporting of information to facilitate control of operations and evaluation of performance. You can see that control of operations and evaluation of performance. For controlling of any type of operation, you definitely want to allocate the responsibility. If you allocate the responsibility, then evaluation of performance will give you 100% result. If you are not allocating the proper responsibility to the operations, then what is going to be happen? Evaluation of performance will also be poor. That's why the responsibility accounting plays a major role in any managerial process dealing, and in the similar way it will control the operation and evaluate the performance. So that is what definition given by the personality. Next one, features of responsibility accounting. These are some of the features why we are using responsibility accounting in the organization. So input and output or cost and revenues, for maintaining of proper inputs and outputs, and also the reducing of cost and increasing of revenue, we definitely want to maintain the responsibility accounting in the organization. Next one, planned and actual information or use of budgeting. So responsibility accounting will definitely give you planning and actual information for preparation of any budget. So if you want to follow based on the budget, you definitely want to be allocated with the responsibility, and you want to be allocated that you are having a limitation of so and so. If you are having the limitation of so and so, then you can work according with that. If you are working according with that, then automatically you can achieve with the budgeting responsibility also. Next one, Identification of responsibility centers. So almost all the organization definitely want to establish responsibility center and identify the work, how they are effectively working in the responsibility centers. The management want to monitor that. Next one, relationship between organization structure and responsibility accounting systems are very important. So relationship between organization structure, you definitely want to maintain a proper structure, then only the responsibility accounting system is going to be 100% effective in the organization. If you are not maintaining the proper organization structure, then the responsibility accounting is not up to the mark. That's why you definitely want to maintain the proper structure. So if you are maintaining a structure, then hierarchy is going to be strictly followed. If the hierarchy is going to be strictly followed, then automatically what is going to be happen, the responsibility accounting system is going to be get properly work. Okay, so next one, assigning cost to individuals and limiting their efforts. So assigning cost to individuals, if we are assigning any cost to the individuals, so if you are assigning cost to the individuals, limiting their efforts to controlling of cost. If we are given a freedom that you can use this much of funds for the development of this activity, if we allocate certain amount, then the employee or individual can work along with that only. So that limitation, he is trying to reduce the cost, and he put lot more efforts to control the cost which will not exceed that limitations. So that's why that limit are going to be given in the responsibility accounting to each and every individual who is working in the organization. Next, transfer pricing policy. Transfer pricing policy. So if this is one of the policy which is going to be allocated by responsibility accounting. So performance reporting. So always performance reporting is going to be monitored according with the responsibility which is given by you. If you are doing the responsibility properly, your performance reporting is going to be good. If your responsibility accounting is if you are not maintaining the responsibility accounting properly, your performance reporting is going to be negative result. Next one, participative management. So responsibility accounting is always a participative management. No single person cannot do anything in the organization. It is a group effort. So all the person want to be participate, all the employees want to be participate, then only the responsibility accounting is going to be successful in the organization. Next one, management by exceptions. So management definitely want to be accept the responsibility accounting, and they want to obey which are the responsibilities given by the particular departments, and they want to management by exception definitely want to be in the organization, then only the responsibility accounting is going to be successfully run in the organization. So this is a small effort to explain about responsibility accounting. So we are completed the responsibility accounting topic. Thank you.